Hi guys, today we're going to be replacing this old piece of pipe here with this piece of straight pipe that I've got. I've already got all my tools ready. All we need to do is take this out and put the new one in and tighten the clamp, and I think we're good. So I'm going to start by... Oh, it's not even in there tight. Oh, well, that wasn't. See if I can get this out. This is what I mean by I was rubbing up against the heat shield. And, look, let's roll my shoulder. So, oh, got that one out. I'm not sure if that clamp's tight or not, but I'll try put this other piece of pipe in. If it won't go in, I'll loosen that clamp off. So guys, got the pipe in, all clamped down, nice and tight, not going anywhere. Only downside is it's a little bit short, so I don't know if you can see up there, but I might have to put a tip or something on it, or make a hanger that'll keep it down. But other than that, I'm pretty sure we're done. Might have, sorry about the wind, might have a tip in here. Yep. There's an old dump tip, I'll see if that fits. That can just be temporary. Get this up on here. Almost. So guys, this piece of pipe was all caved in the center, so it didn't want to fit. Knew that was going to happen. If I have a piece of pipe that, well, we don't have a welder. So that's sort of why I can't weld a tip on. But if I might have another piece of pipe that I can cut up and could use that as a... Oh. Wow. See if it fits though. Yeah, that one didn't want to fit because it was all like caved in, had been like squashed and stuff. So let's see if this one wants to go. Oh no, we're good boys, we're good. I'm pretty sure in the last video I said something about doing the exhaust or something. I can't quite remember. But that's only temporary, it's not staying there. So, straight by. I did originally have it dumped off at the cats, but we've got neighbours and it was too loud and all those good things. Just kidding. Yeah, no, would have been too loud for him. So it's got the cats and a muffler. I'll put this on the other way. Oh, give me a second. There we go. That looks better. So that's only temporary until we get the car running, and then I might change up the exhaust, or when I get the diff welded I'll just get them to weld that up and I'll make a mount to hold it down a bit further. But I mean, other than that, I think we're Gucci boys. I gotta love that. So that's all for this video, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment. If you have any ideas you want to see done to the car, just let me know in the comments below. I'll see you in the next one. I thought I'd add into this video, I went to go get a couple bits of bark out of our bark bin here, and Oh, I got a couple ants, nothing bad. Mate. So, what I might do, get myself a DIY fucking mortine bomb thing. Get yourself a big fuck off brick. Get your can. Up, switch hands. Get your can. These lock on by themselves, so it's going to drop it straight down the back there. Now, so lock it in like that. Put him in there. Drop the bit of wood. Get your brick. Chuck your brick on there, and you're Gucci, boys. Now give it 5-10 minutes, and you'll be mint. I think you can still hear it. You can smell it, that's for sure. Alright, I'll get back to you when it's done. I think it's done. It's been probably about 15 minutes. I'll put another brick on here because when I shut the lid, it started to sort of come out from around the edges. I can't hear it anymore, which is good. Alright, yeah, they're all dead. They're all dead, boys. Oh, still wants to go. When I shook it, it still went that. Well, you can fuck off over there if you want to keep going. I don't think you can see that, but that's a lot of ants down there. Half of them are still moving. How? Just went through the whole bin. Like what? Oh yeah, no. There's more. Just up over this side. Oh, it's not as bad. Just up a couple. These are all mainly just on the top layers. Oh, I'll give it like 5-10 more minutes. I've already got the bark I wanted, so yep. Right, it says